What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Today, I'll be working with Uber Eats, Doordash, and Skip the Dishes. Skip the Dishes is a 3-hour shift from 4:30 to 7:30. Doordash is a 4-hour shift, 4:30 to 8:30. And Uber Eats is the same as Doordash, 4 hours. So come along for the ride, stick around to the end if you want to see the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So this lunch hours, I work with Uber Eats and I get $13.85. It was just a 1 hour I pick up with Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes. And Skip the Dishes was $7. So we're not gonna count those for the evening shift, right? And the time is 4:29, and that's $7 from the lunch hours. Doordash looking for orders. Uber Eats, you're online. Whoa, I got a match already with Skip the Dishes. $8.77 for 3.9 kilometers. First order came in at 4:32. So I drop off that order and the customer instruction was call her when I arrived here so she could come down and get the food. Thank you very much for doing that. That's awesome, right? Because she lives in an apartment building. Hey guys, this is Skip the Dishes, $7 for 3.4 kilometers. Fort Line Pub and Grill. Google Map take me to the back lane. Oh my God. The apartment is right here. This is Doordash, $13.75 for 15 kilometers. Hello, how's it going? I'm manager. Yeah. And I got another one from Skip, $7 for 4 kilometers. So busy with Skip the Dishes. Thumbs up for you. I still have Doordash on pause and I turn off Uber Eats. This is pizza. Finally get a good one from Doordash, 4.5 kilometers for 9.25. Accept. 7 minutes away, 3.2. That's the restaurant. $5.25 base pay. Customer tip $4. Thank you. Woo, nice one. $19.25 for 10.3 kilometers. Let's go to Original Joe's. Yeah, I grabbed that food. Waitress said like be careful with one of the bags. Sparkle water in glass. Whoa, 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 I missed it. It took over my screen. I think it was $5.25 base pay and customer tip $15. 16 kilometers for $16.50. Right now, this is not my zone, but somehow they keep sending me order I don't know. I think when it's busy, doesn't matter. And finally, the sun is out. Holy smoke. 7:05, and it's really bright. Although I have my sunglasses on. Base pay $5.25. Customer tip $4. Thank you. I have like 15 more minutes left with skip the dishes. Had it on pause all the time. $7.25 for 11 kilometers. No thank you. This is skip the dishes. Are you want to stay on or log off? I'll stay on. Hey guys, this is skip the dishes. $13.89 for 3 kilometers. Thumbs up, thumbs up. I get so excited when I see $13, $14 on skip the dishes. I'm used to those $7, right? When you see something above 7, it's like, oh, what the heck? Skip the dishes. This pickup is at Underdogs. So it's a bar, sports bar. What a crazy long wait. I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Lost track of time. Yeah, I was so excited. Woo, $13. Like, oh, gotta wait 20 minutes for that $13. I hope skip the dishes compensate for my waiting. My shifts end with skip the dishes, and I'm gonna resume back with Doordash and Uber Eats. The time is 8. I have half an hour more for my shift. $7.25 for 11 kilometers. No thank you. Uber Eats, $5.44. Yeah, I only had one order with Uber. So far, I have like 10 more minutes to go. That's it. Come on, Doordash. Send me an order. Hey guys, the time is 8:32. That's it for me. 4 hours with Uber Eats, Doordash, and skip the dishes. But most of the orders were skip the dishes and Doordash. I only had one delivery with Uber Eats, and hopefully customer tip will come in handy for gas if the tip. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help grow the channel. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. So let's start with Uber Eats. I had one delivery only, and it's $7.44, the one on the top. The bottom two is from the lunch hours, so we're not gonna count those. $7.44, customer tip $2. And this is skip the dishes, $56.90, but we have to minus $7 from the lunch hours, which is the one from the bottom, Five Guys burgers and fries. So when we minus that $7, it's gonna give us $49.90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 delivery with skip the dishes. This one is $19.14. Customer tip $10.40. This restaurant where I waited for at least 20 minutes, and the rest of the orders were $7. One was $8.77. This customer tip $4.79. So skip the dishes is $49.90. Let's move over to Doordash. I had 4 deliveries. Base pay is around $5.25. The one from bottom, customer tip $4. Second from bottom, customer tip $4, $4. And the top one is $19.25. Base pay $5.25. Customer tip $14. Active time was 1 hour 20 minutes. Dash time 4 hours and 1 minute. Total with Doordash is $47.50. Skip the dishes is $49.90. Uber is $7.44. Give us $104.84 minus $6 for gas. Equal $98.84 divided by 4 hours. Gave us $24.71 per hour. Awesome wage. Nice one. Close to $25 an hour. That's pretty good, right guys? So another day of triple apping, and I made awesome wage, like close to $25 an hour. I'm so happy with that, and I'll take that to the bank. So guys, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help grow the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.